He was a murderous maniac who killed not only his wife but also his children. Yet instead of fleeing, he voluntarily called the police. However, when officers arrived, he begged them to save his family. Then the man suddenly became serious again, claiming he was the killer. The police had no choice but to bring the man to the interrogation room. But then he surprisingly claimed to be an elementary school student. Before Detective Han could react, the man transformed into a vicious, violent person again. Detective Han realized the man might have multiple personality disorder and attempted to communicate with the other personalities. Sure enough, the child personality admitted it was the violent personality who committed the murders. But before he could finish speaking, the man stood up and started slapping himself. As the two personalities fought each other, the man knocked himself unconscious. Seeing the situation spiraling out of control, the police ordered a psychiatric evaluation. The report confirmed the man suffered from dissociative identity disorder. However, the murder weapon was found at the scene with his fingerprints, and he had confessed to the killings. With all evidence pointing to his guilt, the police had to send him to court. During the trial, the man's defense attorney suddenly interrupted him. The man immediately flew into a rage and attacked his lawyer. But this bizarre behavior didn't frighten the judge. In fact, Judge Guang Na seemed excited. That's because Judge Guang Na was a demon judge who needed to process 10 demons before she could return to hell. Clearly, the man had become her target. Guang Na approached the man privately and proposed that if he could summon his third personality right then, she would declare him not guilty. Just as Guang Na was about to leave, the man indeed brought out his third personality. But his effortless control over these persons convinced Guang Na that he had been acting all along. The truth was the man had no mental illness. He simply had violent tendencies and frequently abused his family. When his son was about to call the police, the man discovered this and brutally murdered him. His wife came home just in time to witness the scene, so the man had to kill her too. The noise woke their daughter, who came out to investigate. To avoid exposure, the man killed her as well. Afterward, he performed the multiple personality act in front of the police to escape legal punishment. But Guang Na still detected the deception. True to her word, she declared the man not guilty by reason of insanity, though he would serve 2 years in a psychiatric facility. But on the way to the facility, a large truck suddenly crashed into their vehicle. 2 men in black dragged the man from the wreckage and loaded him into their truck. When he regained consciousness, he found himself face to face with Guang Na. Now the real judgment would begin.